So I was on my vacation, so I was unable to attend classes.
You was on your vacation. Okay. So we have done all this caustic soda, baking soda, bleaching powder, POP, and washing soda. How can we prepare these salts? So please tell me fast. How can caustic soda be prepared? I'm going to ask you everyone. Then we will discuss this one, that how can we prepare, and we will deal the questions regarding to this one. Okay. So first of all, preparation is very important. So first of all, you need to memorize the preparation, that how can we. We have done this one. Everyone have this one in your copy? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, do it fast. Yes, you. Gianna, how can we prepare caustic soda? Yes, you. Tell me fast. Gianna, how can we?
So I'm unsure of caustic soda.
You're not sure about the caustic soda. Okay. Any other salts that you know?
So baking soda.
Okay. Ibad, are you there? Anyone? Okay. Baking soda. How can we prepare baking soda? Tell me fast.
So me.
Yeah. Tell me.
So NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gives NH4Cl plus NaHCO3.
NH2Cl.
Sorry?
NH2Cl. Yeah,
Hmm,
NH4Cl.
NH4Cl.
Yeah, we have first of all for the preparation of baking soda. Baking soda. How can we prepare baking soda? This we have done in detail. I'm just revising this one. Okay. NaCl plus water. What we call this together? Brine. Brine. Okay. And after this brine, we have we add ammonia to it. Ammonia gas. Ammonia is NH3. Now this become ammonical brine. Ammonical brine plus CO2. When you pass carbon dioxide to it, it will gives you what? Will gives you what?
NaHCO3 plus
NaHCO3
NH.
plus 4Cl, and this is baking soda. This is baking soda. Yes, you. Ibad, are you there?
Yes.
Turn on your camera. Everyone, please turn on your camera. Okay, next. So when we pass carbon dioxide to ammonical brine, then baking soda is prepared. Okay, this is the first part. The second one is caustic soda. How can we prepare caustic soda? Yes, you, Aisha. How can we prepare caustic soda?
NaCl plus H2O gives NaOH plus H2 plus Cl2.
H2 plus Cl2. And this NaOH is called caustic soda. This NaOH is called caustic soda. Okay. There is a power cut today due to heavy rain. Dear student, there is a power cut. If if suppose my internet connection means I got disconnected due to power cut and failure here. Okay, then please let me uh, just wait. I will join it. Okay. Again, if my inverter goes down, then I have to start the generator. So NaCl plus water, then it will give you on passing electricity to it, then it will give you NaOH. And what is NaOH?
Caustic soda.
This is called caustic soda. Caustic soda. And what is chlorine gas? Chlorine gas. Anode or tell me, this is the basic question that is going to come in your examination. So when we pass electricity to
Sir, can you
brine,
repeat the question?
I'm asking that on which electrode does this chlorine gas is produced?
Anode.
Yeah, Cl is minus and anode is positive. This anode means anode ions will goes on the positively charged electrode. Now, so this is at anode and this one is at cathode. Okay. So, Ibad, you learn this one.
What?
You memorize these two. I'm going to
So-
ask you.
Okay.
These all 5 preparation I'm going to revise and then you have to memorize this one instantly. I will ask you the preparation of all these. Okay. Done? Should I move forward? Okay. Here we have the next one is uh, castics. After caustic soda, we have bleaching powder. How can we prepare bleaching powder? We have uh, ammonia. Bleaching powder can be prepared by passing chlorine gas to slag lime or calcium hydroxide. So when you pass chlorine gas to slag lime, then we can prepare CaOCl2. This is bleaching powder plus water. And what is this? This is slag lime or slag lime or calcium hydroxide is the chemical name. Okay. Yes. If I ask you, Ibad, if you want to get the chlorine gas, so how can you get the chlorine gas? How you can get the chlorine gas? Tell me fast. Yes, you, Sumaya, if you want to get the chlorine gas, is there any way to you can get the chlorine gas? Yes, you Maha. How can we get the chlorine gas? We have done this when chlorine gas is produced by the electrolysis of baking soda, sorry, sodium chloride. Aqueous sodium chloride, you pass this one, you will get in the chloralkali process. This process of preparation of caustic soda is known as chloralkali process. Chloralkali process. Why we called it chloralkali process? Because in this process, chlorine gas and alkali, which is the water soluble base, NaOH means alkali, alkali. This is an alkali also. All bases that can be dissolved in water is known as water soluble base. Okay, understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, if we have calcium hydroxide, okay, when you pass chlorine gas, I'm again giving you this. So this chlorine gas it is obtained it is obtained obtained in is obtained alkali process, because the questions are going to be there. Okay, plus water. And what is the uses of can anybody tell me the uses of bleaching powder? What are the uses of bleaching powder?
Remove stains.
Most popular.
Oxidizing agent.
Disinfecting.
Yeah, it is disinfectant. It is used as disinfectant. Infectant means for killing germs. Okay, understood? Maha, you understood?
Yes.
Next is third one is washing soda. How can we prepare washing soda? If you have sodium hydrogen
By
carbonate,
heating baking soda.
yeah, this is baking soda. When you heat it, so on heating, it will gives you Na2CO3 plus water plus carbon dioxide. Now this is not washing soda is actually Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. So this is not washing soda. This is okay. So when you heat it, sorry, when you add 10 water molecule to it, then it will become Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. This is washing soda. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Next, copy this one. Done. Next,
Yes.
Next one is Ca2SO4, calcium sulfate dot 2H2O. This is gypsum. So when you heat it, when you heat it at 100 degrees Celsius or slash 373 Kelvin, controlled heating. This is called controlled heating. Temperature should not extend to this one. Then it will give you CaSO4 dot half H2O plus 3/2 H2O. And this is known as POP, plaster of Paris. Okay. Understood? And next one, if we have, let's suppose if I'm having and the last one that we have done plaster of Paris, we have done baking soda, caustic soda, bleaching powder, and POP, all. Okay. So these
Baking
all are,
powder.
yeah, baking powder. Baking powder is simple. This we have done initially, that we have NaCl plus water plus ammonia gas plus carbon dioxide. This will gives you NH4Cl. Sumaya, are you there? Sumaya, keep your camera turned on. And NaHCO3. Okay, this is the only means and baking soda and caustic soda, NaOH. Okay, they are not going to have
No,
water
we
of
didn't
crystal.
do baking powder.
This is the baking powder. Baking powder. Okay, baking soda. Baking soda. This is baking soda, and baking powder is simply when we add some edible acid to it, to baking soda. Then it become baking powder. Okay, so you've done all the preparation for this one. Can I have the question related to that one? Yes or no?
Yes.
So let's have the question on these topics. Question number 46. Read the question and try to answer the question. Tell me the answer. Question number 47. Sorry, 46. A dry pellet of common
Yes,
base
sodium
B.
hydroxide.
Yeah, it is sodium iodide. Capped in open, absorb the moisture and turn sticky. It is the quality of, because it is hygroscopic in nature, not hygroscopic, it is deliquescent in nature. Deliquescents are those substances that can absorb the moisture from the atmosphere and get dissolved, change their state. Okay. So because it is hygroscopic in nature, so it can easily absorb the moisture and turn sticky. The compound is a byproduct of chloralkali process. So you know that in chloralkali process, what we get in the product? We get NaOH, second we get chlorine gas, and third we get hydrogen. So hydrogen it cannot be because it is saying compound. Compound is only NaOH. H2 and Cl2 are elements. Okay. So compound is a byproduct of chloralkali process. Identify B and write the type of reaction when B is treated with acetic oxide. So
Neutralization.
yeah, it is. And write a balanced chemical equation. So write down acetic oxides. Can you give me an example of acetic oxide? Can you give me the example of acetic oxide? Is metal oxides are acidic in nature or non-metal oxides are acidic in nature?
So your voice is stuck. Can you say it again?
I'm saying that this is NaOH. Okay. When you react, I'm asking that whether it is acidic in nature or basic in nature. Metal oxides are acidic in nature or basic in nature?
Basic.
It is acidic in nature or basic in nature? Metal oxides.
Basic in nature. Right?
And non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. So you can react it with carbon dioxide. It is non-metal oxide. What it will give you?
Na2CO3.
Na2CO3 plus
H.
plus
H.
it is acid, it is
Plus
base.
water.
Sorry, it is basic. It is base. It is acid. The base plus acid will gives you salt plus water. Okay. So
You
you can
gave it
easily
as
balance.
homework, right?
Yeah, I give it. Okay. Try to solve this question number 45. Try to solve it and find out the value of x, y, z. Yes, done. Faizan, are you there? Faizan,
Yes.
turn on your camera.
Sir, I cannot turn on my camera. I'm using my PC.
So let me ask to your parents whether you are using your PC or something else.
Sir, excess calcium carbonate CaCO3, and then Y is CaOH CO3, and G is chlorine gas.
Okay. Yes, another students. Another student, please fast. So by having metal carbonate X on reacting with an acid. Okay, we are having a metal carbonate X on reacting with acids gives a gas which when passed through a solution Y. We don't know right now X, but we know that metal carbonate when react with an acid. So this is a general reaction that when metal carbonate is going to react with acid, what they form is saying that metal carbonate X when react with acid, it is going to give you salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. So the gas is carbon dioxide here. Now this he is further saying that this gas when passed through a dry Y, compound dry Y, okay, sorry, not dry Y, it is saying that a compound when this carbon dioxide is passed through a solution, then it is giving you the metal carbonate back. This carbonate back means X. So you know that it is very popular reaction. It is very popular reaction that when we are having this carbon dioxide, okay, and this carbon dioxide is treated with lime water, CaOH whole twice, then it always gives you what? It gives you what? Calcium carbonate plus
CaCO3.
water. And because of this, the lime water turns milky. So we are assuming, we are not confirmed till yet that it is calcium hydroxide. Actually, Y is calcium hydroxide. But if Y is calcium hydroxide, then X will be calcium carbonate. But we are just keeping it aside. We really don't know whether it is Y is, it is our assumption. It is only our assumption. Okay. Okay. Next, if I'm having this metal carbonate, now further he's saying that if a gas G, which is obtained at anode during the electrolysis of brine, aqueous brine. So brine is, what is brine? Brine is NaCl plus water. So this is NaCl plus water. It is brine. And it is saying that when you pass electricity to aqueous solution of brine, okay, electricity to it, then it is going to give you, okay, this NaCl plus water. Okay, when its electricity is passed, then it will gives you NaOH plus H2 plus Cl2. Now it's saying the gas G, which is obtained at a knot. What it is saying in the question? It is saying in the question a gas G, which is obtained in a knot during the electrolysis of brine. If you don't know what is brine, then you will not be able to solve this question. So you must know the common name also in the chemistry. That brine means NaOH plus, sorry, NaCl plus water. When you pass electricity to it, then it is saying which gas is, the gas G is obtained at anode. So which gas is obtained at anode? There are two gases obtained. One is hydrogen, another one is chlorine gas. So you must know that which gas is going to obtain at anode and which is going to obtain at cathode. So here the gas G is
Chlorine.
chlorine. So gas G which is obtained on the other hand, the gas G which is obtained on electrolysis of brine. So this is chlorine gas on electro. When it is passed through dry Y. So this chlorine gas when passed through dry Y, then it gives a compound Z which is used as disinfectant. So you know that we in our syllabus we have studied 5 types of salt, and there is only a single salt which is being used as disinfectant, and that is bleaching powder. So everyone, if you know that this chlorine gas, when passed through calcium hydroxide, dry Y, this is Y compound, then it is giving you bleaching powder, which is used as disinfectant. So if you know the preparation of bleaching powder clearly, then you will be able to solve this one. Now it is saying Y is calcium hydroxide. Now this is also calcium hydroxide, but this is an aqueous solutions, means dilute solution. So it is lime water. Lime water and both lime water and slag lime both have same molecular formula. One is very dense, like this calcium hydroxide is paste-like. This is lime. This is slag lime. When you pass chlorine gas to it, it will give. Okay, you understood?
Yes.
So this is called slag lime. Okay, when you pass chlorine gas to it, you will get CaOCl2 plus 1. And this is called bleaching powder. And now after this one, okay. So you can easily predict Z, you can easily predict Y. Y is calcium hydroxide. If Y is calcium hydroxide, then this is also a calcium hydroxide. When you pass chlorine, carbon dioxide to it, then it will give you calcium carbonate. So this is X compound. Okay, understood? Yes or no? Now you
Yes.
understood what is X, what is Y, what is Z?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. If you want to write it, you can write all the following equations so that you can remember. I then keep an eye on this question. This is because this type of questions are very important, and they are this type of questions generally are going to ask on the basis of salts. So you've done this one.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Try to solve the next question, please. This question number 44. What should be the answer for the question number 44, please? Write down the answer for this question in your notebook, please. Everyone. then I'm going to ask you that how your writing skill is. Please write it for me. Please write it because it is very important. And if you start having habitual of writing things, then it will be much easier for you to create a memory. So do it, please. Yes, you done? Everyone done? Sumaiya ni baat. I have you turn off your again.
Sir, I keep getting disconnected. So can I keep my camera off?
Okay. Yes, you, Gianna, you noted the answer?
Yes, sir.
What's the answer for the A part?
So, for the A, I wrote that if the mother uses baking soda instead of baking powder, the taste of the cake will be bitter
Okay.
because sodium carbonate is
Sodium carbonate is?
formed.
Okay. Because sodium carbonate is?
Because of this formation of sodium carbonate.
Because sodium carbonate is a basic salt. Baking soda is a baking salt. Basic salt. Why it is basic salt? Because it is a salt of strong base and weak acid. So you do NaCO3, then plus U plus water. Okay. So this is the
Yes.
reason. Yes, you Maha, what should be that? What is the next what is the answer for the next part?
For the next one, baking soda can be converted into baking powder when an edible acid is added to it.
Okay. Yes, when an edible acid is added to it. Yes, you Aisha, can you name the edible acid that is being used to convert it? Can you name the double acids?
Tartaric acid.
Tartaric acid. Okay, next. Yes, C part. Gianna, can you tell me that what is the role of tartaric acid in baking soda?
Yes, sir. When tartaric acid is added to the baking soda, it neutralizes the sodium carbonate.
Yes, it will neutralize the sodium carbonate. And second, that it
And
also.
the cake will not taste better.
Okay, this is the only one part that it implies the bitter taste. Second part, and second is very important.
Converts it to baking powder.
It helps in the elimination of carbon dioxide because when metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid, they produce carbon dioxide. Okay, and this
Yes,
carbon
sir.
dioxide is get trapped in the dough, and that helping in the simple that it happen elimination of making the bread fluffy. Okay, understood, Aisha? We have
Yes,
done
sir.
this one in the notebook. Next. Okay. Forty-one, 42. Just a minute. What is question number 39? Do question number 39, please. Yes, you done.
Yes.
What is X?
X is chlorine gas.
And what is Y?
Y is bleaching powder, CaOCl.
Y is bleaching powder. Okay. So if you are saying that here that one of the industrial process used for manufacturing sodium hydroxide, a gas X is formed as a byproduct. The gas X react with lime water to form compound Y. So yeah, X gas is chlorine gas, because chlorine gas is passed when lime water, then it is going to give you compound Y, which is used as bleaching powder. Okay, so X and Y you understood? Everyone? Hmm?
Yes.
Next, if I'm having, yes, 38. Do question number 38. Do question number 38, please. Done.
Yes.
What's the answer?
So salt A is sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, and then C is CO2 gas, and salt base washing soda, Na2CO3.